Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can edit margin in Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. Once you open it, you need to select a file or just a page and simply type in the content you want to write. So now to edit your margins, you need to write the sentence in full length from the left hand side of your corner to the right hand side of your screen. So now once you are done typing, all you need to do is click on the blue box, the scale like option. Once you press it, you can adjust your margins accordingly. So you can see the same blue line on the scale on the right hand side as well. So to adjust the margin or to edit it, you need to simply move the blue lines across the screen on the left hand side as well as the right hand side. So this is how you edit margin on Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.